last question is, it's allowed or not allowed to go outside at halachic midnight? And also, this is related to this question: if it is allowed to say good night in Hebrew because it has the name of an angel, and I heard that angel names cannot be say names of angel at night.
It's better not to bother angels, for sure. And some people have these writings. They go to Israel and they in Tzvas and every in Yerushalayim, different places. They sell these Kabbalistic things. This like a portrait, like it costs a lot of money. They write with gold, with beautifully decorated things. But you have to know what it says there. And sometimes the stupid people they buy because they do not know. And these shopkeepers, they tell whatever you want to hear. And basically it's names of the angels, so it's not proper to have them in your house if you're not so pure yourself, you understand? So it's not proper not to. But I'm not sure exactly what. Oh, I see. No, it's not that's not what you mean. So if you say Laila Tov, there is no problem. That's not how you pronounce the name of. It's close, but I think it's different spelling a little of that angel. Yeah. So good night is Laila Tov or something. Okay. Any other questions? Yeah, go ahead.
The first part of that, if it was allowed to go outside.
Midnight, there is, you're right, there is no problem. And in olden days, in the Talmudic times, they say do not go out at night. I think it's on Wednesday, Tuesday, something. Monday, Tuesday. I don't remember because the demons, the Shidim is out there. But today we have light and we have people outside, so it's not as bad. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.